Lovelies, how are you all doing? And welcome to the vlog. This is my first time of doing this. Yes, actually filming a vlog. So let's see how it goes. Please, if this is your first time in my channel, my name is Etima. I'm a mother of two. I live in the UK, Scotland to be precise. So if you haven't subscribed, please join the family. Let's grow this channel together. And to all my old subscribers, you guys rock. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your show of love and your support. Thank you. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. Without wasting much of your time. So this is actually 10 o'clock, but actually it's already sunny, as you can see. So I will take you guys along. Okay guys, thank you and stay tuned. Bye. So I'm done with all the things I wanted to do. I'm done with everything. So we're heading to my son's school to pick them up right now. Let me show you the road. Good to have you guys back. Okay guys, immediately I came back from picking my kids, I just quickly fried plantain for them because I've got food already in the fridge. So I just quickly fried plantain for them. So those things I came back with, I've not even touched it. I just wanted to sort them out first. So I'm just going to show you guys what I was able to get today. Yes, okay guys, let me show you all what I was able to get. I got cheese. This is egg. This chicken breast fillet. I got this because this is butter. So this picker oats. I'll later come and sort all these things out. Just want to show you guys. I got myself Greek yogurt. I got that. So got some snacks for my kids. And then this is it. So this one's some fun. So I got this too. I don't know, my husband likes this match one. So Colgate. So this one will be here because I'm going to take this one inside. I got Titus speech. Some dough. So that's it. I bought this. This is what my kids use. This is what my kids use for baking. So butter, thing. So these ones are my personal belongings. But anyway, let me just take it and keep it around here because I will still sort them out at the time. So this one's my My kids love this cereal so much. This one is cereal. Got some happy. I'm going to stick. This one is cinnamon stick. So I bought chicken seasoning. I have seasoning already, but I just wanted to add some also for my cereals. This is it. So cereal. And then this is my kids' bread. My daughter likes this bread so much, and this is my son's favorite. So this one is also biscuits for my kids. I'm not a biscuit snacks kind of person. So, this is carrots. I bought carrots. Yes. Then I bought this too. The other one was yeah, it's true. Got two. That's it. Got spring onions. A freshener. I got four. I've been craving coconut for a while now, so I got cabbage. Then I bought some beetroot. I love beetroot. Mostly all my juice I get to put beetroot, so I don't joke with teeth. So these are bell peppers, banana. So I bought my kids gummies. What chicken? I don't eat what chips for my kids. What chips? These are prawns. So I got this. I don't know why. This is long grain. Long grain. Also basmati rice. Long grain. Oh, we still have one more biscuit here. Guys, I put away all the things I bought. So this is 4 p.m. in the evening time. I am cooking jollof rice for dinner today. So before now, I'd already prepped all my ingredients, so I just went ahead and started filming.
Okay, at this point our food was ready and I went ahead and fried some plantain. Sorry, I didn't show that part here, but I fried some plantain for us. I served my kid the food. I was actually feeding my daughter because if you're close to her, she will always form baby and say, "Mommy, please feed me." So this is them enjoying the food. Please, thank you very much for watching to this point. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to join us. And thank you so much for your usual support. God bless you guys and see you next in my next video. Bye.